Hello everyone, my name is Ji-Eun Lee. Today, we will discuss cartilage repair failure. 1. Incomplete filling. First, let's talk about incomplete filling. This can be demonstrated as a full-thickness defect or even a complete absence of the graft. Let's consider the case of a patient who underwent a cartilage repair procedure using Cartilage, a type of ACI. At the 6-month follow-up, the MRI revealed incomplete filling and subchondral bone marrow edema-like lesions. 2. Delamination. Next, we have delamination. In this particular case, the patient underwent surgery using commercially available human umbilical cord blood-derived mesenchymal stem cells, HUCBMSCS, known as cartistem. At 8 months post-operation, MRI reveals a more pronounced fluid-intense signal between the subchondral bone and the cartilage layer. Delamination and subchondral bone marrow edema-like lesions are observed. The displacement of all or part of the graft from the repair site or by a linear high signal intensity between the repair tissue and the underlying bone identifies delamination. When delamination occurs, subjacent edema-like marrow signal intensity is usually present. 3. Persistent marrow edema change. Persistent bone marrow edema beyond 2 years post-treatment is a red flag, indicating possible treatment failure. Beyond 18 months, persistent significant edema-like marrow signal intensity within the subchondral bone, an increase in edema-like signal, articular surface collapse, and subchondral cyst formation are signs of poor tissue integration. 4. Interface between repair tissue and native cartilage. A smooth interface without gap formation between the repair tissue and the native cartilage generally indicates successful integration. However, as seen here, the presence of fissures at the periphery suggests incomplete integration of the repair tissue. 5. Graft hypertrophy. Lastly, let's discuss graft hypertrophy. This patient underwent a cartilage repair procedure using Cartilage, a type of autologous chondrocyte implantation, ACI. 6 months following the operation, the MRI revealed a subchondral bone marrow edema-like lesion and significant graft hypertrophy, estimated to be over 200%. This occurs when the repair cartilage exceeds the space of the native defect, protruding from the chondral surface. When graft hypertrophy exceeds 150%, surgical debridement is typically required. However, smaller amounts of hypertrophy can often be monitored and managed conservatively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like it.